Ready, police officer, search warrant! Walk out, walk out, walk out. Come to us. Hey, put your hands up and walk! 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 Show me your hand! Get your hands up now! Yeah. Put your fucking hands up! Hey, let's leave the lot! Let's leave the lot!
Welcome to Blue Shield. Today, we're covering a case in which a SWAT team executed a valid search warrant at a home as part of a narcotics investigation. What began as a routine warrant service, however, quickly took an unexpected turn.
You got it, Connor. Back's good. Go ahead and move on.
Go, Shane, I'm with you.
Yep. Jordan. Ready, police officer, search warrant!
No.
Ready, police officer, search warrant! Opening.
Some again, that's it.
Come out. Walk out.
Come to me,
Come
buddy.
to us.
Hey,
put your hands up and walk! Walk!
now.
Walk!
To me.
Walk backwards!
Front living room looks clear. We got a closed door on right, 2 closed doors on left.
What about the bedroom right there?
Got kitchen straight ahead.
There should be one more person inside, right?
Hey, you want to hit this other window?
Ready, police search warrant, come out with your hands up!
Hey, I'm gonna hit this other
Ready,
window.
police search warrant, come out with your hands
Yeah,
up!
please.
Somebody was in that room.
Police department search warrant, come out now! Come out now!
Hands up!
That's what
Hands up!
Walk out towards us! Walk towards us!
I believe I saw a male. I believe I saw a male in there.
No, come on!
Walk! Come on!
Walk out to me, man. Hands on your face, walk out. Hands up.
Anybody else? Kids! Where they at? 1-year-old?
Which room?
Where at?
Where they at?
We can see everything over the
Everything else closed.
Deshaun's inside? Deshaun's inside with the kid. Which room Deshaun in?
All right, more announcements.
Police department, come
if
out
we can,
now!
I'd like this ripped
come
off.
out now with your hands up!
You want?
Take his spot.
I would like that curtain ripped off.
Come out,
Just
Deshaun!
be careful with the glass for the kids. They're going.
So Shane.
Deshaun, come out now!
Corner.
Ready to police, come out now, Deshaun!
Shane, what do you got?
Can you see up there?
Yeah, I can see. Got into the hallway.
Put your hands up! Show me your fucking hand! Show me your hand!
Get your hands up now!
Now!
Put your fucking hands up!
Although it's not clearly visible in the bodycam footage, investigators say the suspect was holding a firearm, which officers later recovered at the scene.
Show me your hand!
Get your hands up now!
Now!
Put your fucking hands up!
Hey, let's leave the lot!
He's got a gun. He had a gun. I got eyes.
You're good.
I got eyes.
Out here now.
Fuck, man. Fuck.
You're good, Jay.
Fuck. It's all good. Keep holding him. He had a revolver right hand.
Hey, get right back.
He had a revolver right hand.
Pull back.
Thank you.
Rep it. Show me. You're good. Go to the back of it.
The suspect was struck by gunfire and was pronounced dead. During the search of the home, law enforcement officers recovered 4 firearms along with various suspected controlled substances. Following the shooting, the involved SWAT officer was placed on administrative leave, which is standard procedure in many officer-involved shootings while the incident is investigated. After reviewing the evidence, investigators cleared the officer of any wrongdoing in the fatal shooting. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for another documented police body cam case.